You guys want to go thrifting? Oh no. Looks a little... Oh no, it's raining. Ew! Bonafide Hustler here, aka Boner Fire Hustling, aka Genghis Gains, aka the Thrifting Samurai. What's going on, guys? Welcome to my vlog. Today we're gonna go thrifting. We're gonna do a hot shot, but it might lead to other things. E-Money's in the house.
Whoa!
What?
We're like totally gonna hustle.
Yeah, we're gonna hustle, man. People like us hustling together. So we brought E-Money. I invited him in the spaceship. He RSVP'd to be here. Anyways, we're gonna go thrifting. It's terrible weather, but it's also a Tuesday and it could be really, really good. So we're gonna go check out what we can find today. I want you guys to come with us. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you want to learn how to make some cool money reselling typically used goods that we find in thrift stores and garage sales. And we put this stuff on pretty much eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, Antique Booth, things like that, and even Amazon. So let's go to our let's get on the road and check out our first thrift destination. Let's go on the road. Let's go on the road and check out our first thrift destination.
You.
Oh wow! You just passed it to me. Guess what? You passed it to me. I ate your dance. E-Money, do we need a garage door opener spring?
No.
There's one right there on that truck. Money, there's a free spring over there. We should go get it. It's like within 18 inches of this truck. Look, free spring. Actually, we don't need a spring. It is spring. That is so rotten. Good Lord. My gosh. If you guys like the hot shots, make sure you hit the like button. Let's get a card. Check out this card, dude. Ew, 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 ew. Let's see. Can't find one yet. No, there's gotta be one. This one. Make today ridiculously amazing. Ew! Ew! Ew, 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 ew. What else we got? A bodyboard? Nope. What are we looking for, E-Money? Dude, that's a really big rod, actually. That's what she said. Hey, check this out. Found some skates. These are probably gonna be worth something. Check the jackets. Always check the jackets. See, I'm gonna pick up these Resell. I think they're Carrera R3s. Anyways, pretty nice skates. Yeah, they're $6.50 here. Alright, sold that one. Got those Carrera R3 skates made by Resell, something like that. Should sell 60, 70, something like that, maybe 60, 80. And then these are some Swerve, SWRVE-BLK cycling shorts, very rare. New tags, paid, well, 20% off of that price, $15.99. And those should sell for around, I would think, 60 to 80 as well. Pretty nice shorts. Goodwill?
Yeah.
22. Yeah, man. All right. It's not a bad start to the hustling day. E-Money, what do you want to find at this next thrift store? What's the best thing that you found at this other Goodwill that we're going to? It's a really big one, actually. So mine is a $12 pair of Lucchese Massimo. They're called Massimo Lieutenant boots. I think I sold them for like $2.80, and they were like 13 bucks, something like that. 12, 13 bucks. Yeah, super awesome. That's actually in my Shoes to Bucks guide.
Maybe like a Kurt Kinetic fluid trainer?
Oh yeah?
Possibly.
And how much you were in? Probably like 20 bucks or so?
No, maybe 10.
Okay, how much did it sell for? Probably 200?
Back then I was about 200.
Okay, and we're gonna go to this Goodwill, see if we can find any of this stuff. He's got some sort of game going on. So what's the game, E-Money?
How many different types of mannerisms that rappers do? Go. Here, I got this one.
How's that a mannerism?
It is, like when they rap, they're like...
Okay, guess what? Raising the roof. Ha ha, raising the roof.
Alright.
What? Okay, you're scratching some records?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you're toast.
That's a man. I mean, what other mannerisms are there? Shooting a gun?
Yeah, it's like capping.
Capping?
Yeah.
It's not even a sideways gun. You have to have a sideways gun.
Well, that's Compton though.
Oh, that's oh my god.
That's
I
Compton.
wonder what kind of, hey, E-Money, what kind of Mazda is this?
Ew!
That for real just happened. Let's find something good. Alright, this is probably a buy. Some John Varvatos. Looks like some ankle boots. These Scarpas right here, these Origins. I'm gonna look into these, but these are probably a buy as well. I don't know what happened. You gonna get that thing?
Huh? Yeah, $6.
It's pretty cool.
That'll work.
Look at that.
Cool.
Full-blown Kelty kids carrier. 15 bucks, right? Something like that. Still worth it though.
Yeah,
and it's got the backpack on it too.
70.
And it has the sunshade. Oh, there it is. It's the whole complete.
Oh my gosh.
It's complete. Oh, you almost had it. Oh. What commercial is that from? It looked pretty good, right? So you gotta do the shoe check. This is all in the guide too, so make sure you check out the guide. I'll flash it right here. You see a major hole inside the shoe right there. It's too bad. That could have been, you know, maybe $80 to $120 shoe right there. There's a backpack that's blown to hell, but it would have been worth it. This is a Mammoth brand pack. It's got a mammoth as the logo. But yeah, this is a really good brand, but this one's destroyed. So I got those Scarpa Origin, more than likely women's rock climbing shoes right there. Should be able to resell those for 60 plus. E-Money has 2 bags. One of them we're gonna split the profits on, that one right there. Should sell around 50, maybe 60 in town. The other one is gonna sell for around 40. Making a quick pit stop here at Taco Deli. Can't resist this place, I just can't. Emerson got some banh mi tacos right here. Mine are coming up real soon. We got our salsas on deck. They're getting ready. We're getting ready.
Chris, looking for Chris.
Hey, hey. Thanks, man.
You got an Akisha? I knew you would.
Sweet. That looks good. Look at
I can't live
that.
without it.
I know.
It's just go-to.
That's right. It is my go-to, man. All right, last Goodwill. We're gonna check this place out. Never know when we can find it here. These tacos were delicious. Show me this leather bag. This thing sucks. North Face monkey jacket. Yeah, that's a pass. Some Iron Maiden Vans. This is definitely a pickup. Yes. Nice. That is a good pickup right there. Ooh, look at these fried duck boots. I'm gonna get into these too. He's walking out paying $13 for these Iron Maiden slip-on Vans. Oh my gosh, did I win or what? All right, so the last pair of these I sold, it's like 4 years ago. I sold them for around 60, 65 bucks. So that's pretty cool. I don't know how much these are gonna go for, but probably in that range. But really nice. And then this other thing right here, these are actually Fry duck boots. Really, really good condition. Can't believe it. I paid $15 out the door for those, and those are probably gonna resell for 80 to 120 is my first guess, so we'll see. But yeah, that Fry logo, it'll sneak up on you if you don't know how to spot it. That is a really good find right there. Back at the Hustler Casa, gonna get 2 things out real quick. Some arm warmers that I think I am $1 or $2 into. I think those are at a garage sale, sold for 17. Basically a purging out of that one. A backpack sits in this one, waxed canvas backpack, sold for 40. I think I'm 8 into this one. Haven't quite decided if putting best offer is the smartest thing for my store, but I'm giving it till the end of this month, February, to see the sales versus, you know, last year February and, you know, last month January. If I have more sales, making more money, you know, that's good, but I have to be very cautious on the amount of I have to be also cautious in the amount of hours that I'm doing, because I don't really want to exceed 16 hours a week on the eBay project, you know. So the good thing about the eBay project is that, you know, you can cross list things, and that's cool too, and things sell almost every single day locally, so that's good. Hey man, do you coach the Patriots? Are you coaching the Patriots? You look like you do. What's up, man? Doing all right? Good to see you, man. There's Mike the Mailman.
It's cold.
It is cold, yes.
How are you in that?
Because I'm the Bonafide hustler. All right, time to take some photos of the stuff I found today. Actually been experimenting with this, which is just like these curtain background that I have in my gym. You know, basically this is where all the, you know, inventory is. So behind that is the inventory. And here what we have is just a workbench. It's on caster wheels. It can move around and stuff. But yeah, I mean, I got a light facing here. Take some pretty good pictures. This is where I'm gonna shoot the shoes and all the rest of the finds right now. First on deck, these Iron Maiden vans. My gosh, look how beautiful those things are. Jeez. May as well pack it all up too. There are the shorts right in there. And I gotta pack all this stuff up as well. Yo. No. What? Get those things off.
No.
Take them off.
I want them.
Take them off.
No, they're so cute.
They're not.
Perfect.
Those are cheap Target boots.
No way, babe.
They are.
Babe, I think they're sized incorrectly on the tag or something.
Why? No.
I don't think you know the size. You can't sell them because you don't know the size, babe.
I know the size. They're 7B. They're not that cool.
Babe, they're super cool. Look at them. Look how cool they look on me.
Babe.
Look, let me even put them on with a cool sock.
Getting socks out?
Yeah. I gotta show you with a cool sock.
They look terrible.
I think you're mistaken.
I think they look terrible on you. That's it. They're broken.
Yep, they're broken, so you can't sell them, babe.
They have holes. They have holes.
I know, you can't sell them now.
Though it smells. It has odor.
Babe, you can't sell them
It
then.
has odor.
I know, but you can't sell them then.
Stop. No. 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 Alright, it's evening time. We're about to go get some Indian food and thrift a little bit. It's so close to the Indian place, and it looks like I'm not getting my boots back.
What'd you say?
They're,
I mean, I get to keep them, babe?
they got holes. They're old, and they're from Target.
I know, and the
they're from,
shoelace is messed up.
and they're from Target.
It's okay. I like the Target.
Maybe you did it to me again. Second pair of boots.
Hey, you shouldn't have left them laying on the coffee table.
Sorry, I don't know what the hell. Stupidest idea ever. God, so stupid. Now we do have an agreement. She's gonna pay for the shoes, and she's gonna buy me Indian food tonight. That's the agreement. All right, instead of the Indian food, I'm making Whitney buy me some Mad Greens. We're gonna have some salad / rice bowl things, a little bit healthier for tonight. A lot of protein too. We're gonna go in here. If you have this in your town, this is a really good place. I had it for the first time at Austin Airport, and it's really, really good. Okay.
Caesar dressing, or do you want
I'll do salt and pepper. Yeah. That's dinner for tonight right there. There's like 20 ingredients in here. I really can't tell you everything that's in here, but it's really, really good.
Look how lucky croutons.
I have to scratch them off for next time.
Scratch them. Let's scratch them.
So you got like a Caesar variant of a salad of some sort?
Chicken Caesar salad.
Nice. And I got a Southwest kind of bowl with some different things in here, but mostly chicken, quinoa, corn, spinach, spices, tomatoes, all kinds of crazy stuff. So this is what we're gonna eat here, and then after this we're gonna go to a Savers, maybe a Goodwill. It should be a lot of fun, so stick with us. Make sure you hit the like button and hit the unlike button for her taking my boots.
Maybe we'll find the same pair of boots in here.
Yeah, maybe we'll find those boots in here. Sure. Let me get a card. Ew. Ew. Alright, didn't find anything there. That's okay. I'm gonna try to do 2 more Goodwills really quickly, and then that should be the night. See if we find anything here. It is pretty cold. I'm telling you. Let's check it out.
My boots are keeping my feet warm though, babe.
Yep, they're keeping your feet warm. Are you gonna Hadouken the door?
What?
She doesn't know.
What's that mean?
What? Hadouken.
Hadouken?
You don't know what a Hadouken is?
No.
Oh my gosh. You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. All
Is
right.
it one of these things?
It's not a kick thing. No, it's not that either. I don't know if I should tell her. Should I tell her one day? Yeah, guys, don't wake Daddy. Daddy gonna be pissed. You found me something for my office.
Found you something
What?
for your office.
What?
The largest candle on earth.
That is so ugly. Ew!
It's almost as tall as me.
What do you think it smells like?
Oh no, I don't want to know.
What if it smells like Badusi?
Oh, gross, babe. Don't say that on your channel.
They don't know what that means. Do they? Shoe section here. Old school Solomon Gore-Tex trail running shoes, $12.99. Not too bad. Probably not a buy because it's the older model, but not too bad. I think she'll guess what this $15 find is. This is probably a buy right here. Check this out. Maybe.
What are those, fries?
Maybe.
Heavy. They look like fries. Yeah. That's awesome.
$15. Okay, these you can't have. All right, pretty awesome score. We found some really cool. This is a good variant right here. This is the red on blue variant of the Missy Elliott Adidas. Missy Elliott Adidas, pretty cool. There's a bunch of different shoes and stuff that you can get, but the boots are a little bit harder to find. They'll go for around 80 to 100 bucks. And this variant right here might be that $100 range pretty quick. Really nice looking boot. I'll put it down so you guys can see it. But yeah, these are Missy Elliott Adidas boots. Super hard to find. And there she is on the front, see? Yeah, kind of a specialty kind of boot right there. All right, so into another Goodwill, last Goodwill of the night. See if we can find anything here. Cowboy boots sell really well here in Austin, so it's always my best interest to like look for them, you know? Red Wings. I'd be surprised. That's weird. God, these feel just like them. Dang, look at this. Can we have 3 in one day? I don't know. Now they do want 30 bucks for this thing. Another freaking pair of fry boots. Unbelievable. Yeah, so I'm not gonna pick them up, but yeah, 3 fries in one day. Crazy, but I picked up 2. That is good. Anyway, that's pretty much the vlog. I had a lot of fun filming, guys. If you enjoy it, hit me with a like. And I'm gonna close it right here in the Goodwill. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Goodbye.